Everyone, my name is Suraj, and this is my second project for Oasis Infobyte, Python programming internship, a BMI calculator using Python. This application calculates a person's body mass index based on their height, weight, and classify the result into a categories like underweight, normal, overweight. It built using Python and Tkinter for the graphical interfaces. Let me show how it is work. As you see, here is my the result. I will enter my weight in kilograms, let's say 65 kgs, and height, let's say 165. Now I will click on the calculate button. As you see, it instantly displays the BMI value and the category in the case, normal. The result is also color coded for the quick understanding. Green for normal, orange for overweight, and so on. It also gives a history of previous calculations, which is useful for tracking changes over time. And the reset button clear everything for a new entry. So in wrap up, this is my BMI calculator project. It demonstrates input, validation, mathematical calculation, conditional logic, and GUI development using Python Tkinter. Thank you. Oasis Infobyte for this opportunity. Code is available on my GitHub. Thank you for watching.